In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. Don't worry, I tested it before, so I can tell you now it will work. When you're done, you can open it and tap on OK in Welcome pop-up. Now with this app done and open, you can tap on Timeout if you wish to make sure Infinite is on. And also check out all of those options for the future. Now, to actually set it up, you need to open Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Like that. Now it's time to edit your shortcuts. To do it, use this pen icon at the top. Select Edit in this dark section and look for Caffeine shortcut under available buttons. When you find it, hold it and drag it to your currently used ones. Let go. Tap Done at the top right corner twice and click on your new shortcut. Now you need to tap on gray switcher next to Allow Permission, and this time when you go back and click on it, it will be activated. To switch it off, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!